In this video, I am going to show you how to create a bar graph in Figma. To create a bar graph, click on Shapes and select Line or press L on your keyboard. First, draw a line and then copy and paste it. After that, rotate it as shown and give it a graph structure. Then, click on the Shapes button and select the rectangle, or simply press R on your keyboard. You can zoom in a little if you feel uncomfortable. Then draw a rectangle shape to create a scandal, and you can add colour if you wish. Feel free to duplicate this shape as needed and adjust its size to suit your requirements. Now add your text to the graph, and your graph will be ready on Figma. I am not going to do that, as you already know how to add text. Thank you for watching this video. Please consider subscribing for future content.